Hello, this is Julya Angelica and I will share my bad experience this year. At the beginning of February, preciously on Wednesday, before I went to campus, I suddenly have a feeling to check my car tires. Sure enough, there was a very deeply iron stuck on my car tire. It was raining heavily and it was quite difficult to find the nearest workshop. After the tire problem was resolved, I went to campus and on the way to campus, it was still raining and the facility was quite wild on the road. This made me more careful on the road at a slow speed. As a result, I was late to go to my STG's class. After class was over the way to the parking lot, I told my friends about the obstacles I faced on the way to campus. We even still had the time to snack on chiller first while logging together. And when I got into the car, there was no suspiciously at all. When I got home, I realized that the right rear body of the car had been hit, causing considerable damage. At that time, I was too scared to tell my mom, but at the end, I told to my mom the truth that I have not been hitting in the trip. And when I was at the repair shop too, so I speculate that the impact was because someone else in a parking lot. The next day, my car was immediately taken to the workshop for repair, and I was asked to check the CCTV in the campus parking lot. I went to the campus with public transportation to check it. Unfortunately, it turned out that my parking position it was in a blind spot, which means that my car was not highlighted, so the culprit was not found. In the end, my pocket money was cut by my mother of punishment and accountability in accordance with our agreement. This is a lesson for me to park in a place highlighted by CCTV and check the car condition before taking it away. And this is one of all my bad experience in this year.